Activate the reverse curse now. Every evil sent your way automatically returns to the attacker. Curses boomerang back. Hexes reverse direction. Spiritual attacks become self-destructive. Enemies receive exactly what they sent you. This activates automatic return. Don't fight back. Evil fights itself. Every curse becomes a self-curse. Attackers become their own victims. Declare your reverse curse. Every evil sent to me returns to sender. Curses boomerang back. Attackers receive their own evil. Automatic return is active. What they send becomes their curse. Reverse curse is permanent. Permanent reversal is confirmed. All evil automatically returns. Comment reverse curse if you feel the boomerang effect.